ForgeFlow is our long-term Odoo development partner.
Is based in Barcelona.
The Odoo knowledge was very big and they have a very clear understanding on how we should develop.
So the efficiency of the project planning and implementation has really been appreciated.
If I should just describe with one word what has been our experience with ForgeFlow, it would be trustworthy.
Life before was chaotic.
And we could not scale properly.
But for sure, since we moved and spoke directly to you guys, that process has been much faster.
Daily life has been a lot better because they helped us improve the daily process of the issues we had down here.
ForgeFlow seemed to have the team and the capacity to help us go to the next level.
Helping us realize what the process should look like, how we could support it with Odoo, and basically run the business smarter.
In time, in budget, and the quality what we expect.
ForgeFlow group is really outstanding.
The full commitment of the team at really trying to understand our business.
The combination of excellent technical expertise, so being, knowing the system.
Working with ForgeFlow just give us access to learnings that happens, on the other side of the wall.
Including inventory management, finance and accounting, shop floor control, all the things that you're trying to do.
And I would say what is really great is that now they can also anticipate our needs, knowing our business so well.
And that's why we love to work with ForgeFlow.
That's why we've been around together for 4 years, and I see another 10 years.